will be about recreating other YouTubers' projects, like things you can buy or things that we've seen before. Today we'll be doing Take 2 Episode 3. So let's get right on to it. Today we'll be, in this part of the video, we're doing 2 crafts. So in this part we'll be recreating this. So the first step to this is mixing dish soap, water, and paint. So first the dish soap. Then the water. So I'll mix it together. Now you have this bubbly, liquidy consistency, and you can pick a color of your choice to make. Let's do this one. Now, take a straw, and you're going to take it and you're going to blow into the bowl. So you're going to put one into the bowl, one into your mouth, and you're going to blow. So I have a template, so it goes over top so that only the heart will be with the bubbles. But we need to make the bubbles higher. I feel like we need more of more of it. That's why. Oh my god, that looks so weird.
More color, maybe. Should we add more color?
Wait, we can try this again. So we figured out that you needed to make the bubbles a little shorter so you can actually get it wet. And the other way wasn't really working that well, like the color wasn't getting on, so we just sort of ducked it in. But just try not to get it too wet because then the paper will rip easier. Papers just got wet, so we're going to try this time again with smaller bowls and less water. Now, for our second DIY, we'll be creating this. So our first step is so we have a tray. You can try to use a bowl, but we're going to use this for now because it fits the paper perfectly. So what you'll do is you'll cover your whole area with shaving cream, or half of it, or as much as you need to cover your paper.
Now I'm going to be using a spoon to spread it out along the tray. Make it as foamy as possible. So now we're going to be adding whatever paint colors we want, and you can add very little because it shows a lot and it does it easy and everywhere. Now you're going to want to take your paper and press it inside. Whoa, the mind. Wait. Let's do the final reveal of mine. Whoa! That is so cool.
What we found to work best was making designs with the colors and not mixing too much colors together. Otherwise, it'll turn a brown and not so nice colors for your final results. Also, try different patterns like red, blue, red, blue.
Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make you comment down below and click the subscribe button. So this is how they turned out at the end. So that's one of them. This is another one. So I do recommend doing the second one. Just like it sort of didn't work, but like it sort of did. So if you think this is nice, then go ahead and do it. But like they were okay. The first one just didn't work at all, so I didn't really think that you should do that one. Or you can try it and see what happens with yours. So bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.